Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. We have two Cuddlebugs here, and I've got my cohort in crime, Libby. This is her Cuddlebug, and this is my Cuddlebug that I found on the highway after our destruction of our home, and she is going to test it. I have finally managed. Oh, she's showing the road rash it has here on the bottom corner. But other than that one big gouge it has, it looks pretty good. So we're going to just try it out. And she's using the intricate Happy Birthday from Stampin' Up. And let's just see what happens. My fingers are crossed. Wow, that sounded good. Sounded good. Not having any problem. Now let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, my Cuddlebug survived. Yay! Thank you, Libby.